You probably have already answered all my questions, but I still wanted to ask one more. So of all these three MOOCs, and what has been your biggest learning?
um, New uses of technology and pushing innovative approaches are difficult in in nonprofits or in organizations that have done things a certain way for a long time. And so I think, yeah, I mean, my biggest learning was the effectiveness of design thinking, the incredible power of having a diverse team, and
Mm.
making sure that you're not working with people who are just like you. I mean, you want to find people who are completely different to you and with different viewpoints, and you will make a richer experience. That's what the beauty of if you develop it as a community, was
Yeah.
they'll tell you what they need, and then you can respond by
Mm.
finding the answers for them.
Yeah.
And creating that experience for them. Put in place a model of that's based on design thinking, which enables us to really make use of our multidisciplinary teams, and
Mm.
also, to do research, ideation, and test. So if you
Mm.
have that opportunity, it's not like in the past where you might create a textbook and then that textbook has to last for years. You can
Mm.
create your first course. It lasts for a few weeks or few months. You do some tweaks. You improve it, always based on actual feedback of the real people that you want to serve. So I think that's the big breakthrough, is in not what you're doing, but how you make the MOOCs and how that then reflects learner satisfaction, and that they feel that their time was well spent on your course.
Speaking of design thinking, I know you have a team with diverse experts that you can draw expertise experience from different people to make your course interesting and diverse. And even I noticed changes in your course, all very, very positive and interesting, that you have now mixed different course materials. You used to only have animation, and now you have also real people talking about the real experience, not just in text format, but also video format. Did you see the improvement through the data analysis as well? I,
Yeah, I mean, with the feedback from that, of course, I mean, that was we expected that.
yeah.
We know from research that storytelling is the way to teach, basically, is the way to help people understand something. That's how human beings process new information. So having in allow, bringing in people who could tell their stories was, one of the highlights of this latest course,
Mm.
um, which we weren't able to do with the two previous ones for um, ethical reasons and from resource reasons. So it was a really fantastic part of designing this, was being able to bring in all the different voices, as many as we could, and that they be very diverse and reflective of the fact that, this is a topic that affects everybody in one way or another. We're very careful not to be seen as kind of instructors and teachers. We don't like that kind of language. We prefer much more to go with the methodology of teaching, of facilitating, because all of us and all our course participants bring some kind of knowledge, and so we want to share also the people that we work with, and the human rights defenders are the best people to explain what human rights defending is with their own voice.
Absolutely, and you have great access to this type of people as well. That's you.
Yes. So that's where, your topic and how you go about delivering a course has to
Mm-hmm.
be your organization's strengths. You need to play to your strengths and your contacts and your ability to bring in multiple voices. Yeah.
Yeah.